In this video, we will explore the future of gaming and the transformation in supporting infrastructure, networks, edge data centers, and cloud that will be needed to support this rapidly expanding market. Gaming has become a mainstream activity. In the United Kingdom, individuals aged 16 to 24 are heavily engaged in gaming, averaging 7.5 hours per week playing video games. This has established gaming as one of the fastest growing media markets, valued at over $7 billion in 2022. The market is highly competitive, with publishers and distributors striving to capture consumer attention through superior user experiences. To support these differentiated user experiences at scale, gaming developers and publishers are looking for a number of new capabilities. The first is for infrastructure providers to provide high-performant compute and storage for the localized running of gaming software. With games increasingly being very high resolution, games publishers are looking to distribute their content deep into markets to ensure end users can play any online elements of the game without lag, latency, or jitter. Many providers will want to target times of peak demand in particular, such as when a new update of the game is made available. The frustrations of lengthy download times for games updates is well known. For example, in 2022, during the peak of the COVID pandemic, an update for Call of Duty resulted in a 12% increase in traffic on Virgin Media's network. To address this issue, publishers are implementing localized points of presence to cache updates, thereby reducing network strain and expediting the download process. Games developers are also looking for data center and network infrastructure to evolve to ensure that new gaming formats, such as very large online multiplayer gaming, exemplified by games such as Fortnite, can be supported. The primary challenge for these types of games is figuring out how to ensure equitable gameplay between players with varying internet speeds. Gaming companies are addressing these challenges by deploying edge servers to maintain low latency and high availability, and by using orchestration software to regionally match players to ensure a fair and enhanced gaming experience. The rise of cloud, or cloud-augmented gaming, also represents a new landscape and set of requirements. Traditionally, gamers have been expected to invest both in the games themselves, but also in the consoles on which to play those games. Only simpler games can be played on devices that we already own, like mobile phones. In comparison, cloud gaming leverages remote computing resources to run the games, enabling users to play high-end games on demand without the need for expensive hardware. This approach is particularly appealing to those disinclined to invest in consoles, such as more casual gamers. For cloud gaming to be successful, it must be able to deliver low latency, high-resolution experiences that are comparable to those supported by consoles. For this, 5G network technology will be required, and much of the rendering is likely to need to take place in nearby edge data centers. Lastly, new device types such as VR headsets are creating more immersive gaming experiences. These devices require ultra-low latency to prevent motion sickness and ensure a seamless and enjoyable experience. Just like with the console market today, gaming workloads on VR headsets today typically run on the compute embedded in the end device. However, unique to these wearable devices are some specific drawbacks to this approach, such as the heavier headset, which is less comfortable to wear for extended time periods. Offloading some of the compute from the device to nearby edge data centers will be important to making these new devices mainstream, reducing their price and improving their battery life. In conclusion, the gaming industry is not only expanding rapidly, but also continually innovating. The integration of edge computing and advanced telecommunications networks is essential for supporting next-generation gaming experiences. Investment in these infrastructures will significantly enhance user experiences and meet the evolving demands of the market.